Okay, question 6 has given us some parametric equations, and it's talking about dy by dx. And we know that dy by dx, when we're in parametric equations, is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So let's work out those two things. Well, dy by dt is 3t squared, take away. So this is going to be 1 over t cubed, but times by the differential of this bracket. So that's times by 3t squared. So I'll put that on top. And then you can see most of these t's here will simplify. That's going to give me 3 over t. Dx by dt will be 9 minus 9 over 9t, which is just 1 over t. So dy by dx is 3t squared over 3 over minus 3 over t divided by 9 minus 1 over t. And it says to show that there is only one value for t for which dy by dx equals 3. So let's make this equal to 3 now. So if it's equal to 3, I can times by the denominator of the left to get rid of the fraction. So that's going to be 27 minus 3 over t. I can times everything by t to get rid of those fractions as well. So that's 3t cubed, take away 3 equals 27t, take away 3. Add 3 to both sides, gives me 3t cubed equals 27t. Take the t's over to the left, divide by 3 again, that's going to be 9t, and factor a t out. So we have that t either equals 0 from here, or that t squared equals 9 and therefore t equals 3, or minus 3. But it reckons that I can't have all 3 of those values. It reckons that there's only one value for t that works. So what's wrong with the other two? So we've got t equals 0. Let's look at that one first. If t equals 0, then that means I need to be able to ln 0, and we can't ln 0, so that one's not possible. The next one is 3. So what happens for when t is 3? Well, nothing. That seems to be fine. I think I can ln a positive number, and it's not going to have an impact on, it's not going to make this denominator 0 or anything. So that seems okay to me. But if we look at the negative 3, that's not actually a value that's possible either, because we can't ln a negative number. We'd be able to work out the value of the gradient, and the gradient would come out at 3. So on the surface it seems okay, but if we actually take a second to look at the equations, that's not actually that value of t doesn't exist for this set of equations. So this one is also not possible. So not possible. So t equals 3 is the only solution.